Step into October 2025 and glimpse the boardroom of tomorrow, today. We're exploring how intelligent glass is making stagnant meeting rooms obsolete, turning them into adaptive, multifunctional hubs. Get ready to see how this cutting-edge technology will redefine privacy, interactivity, and the very essence of corporate collaboration.
Boost your team's creativity and focus like never before. This video reveals how cutting-edge switchable glass is creating dynamic, adaptable meeting environments that put you in control of your space. See how businesses are using this incredible innovation to elevate aesthetics, streamline collaboration, and achieve ultimate privacy.